Hi everyone, I'm Nikita and आज मुझे कुछ मीठा खाने का मन हो रहा है.
Hi everyone, I'm Vidhi and मुझे रोज मीठा खाने का मन करता है. I don't know about you, but for some reason I always have apples in my kitchen. I don't know how they are there. They're constantly trying to convince me to make something exciting with them and I never can eat them.
I know, and having apples on an everyday basis can get so monotonous, even if it keeps the doctor away.
Don't worry, we'll find a way like we always do. Today we're going to make this super indulgent yet healthy recipe, the apple pie oatmeal, which can be eaten as a dessert also and a breakfast also.
Oh wow, combining healthy foods together and making it an exciting dish. Vidhi, I must say you have a knack for this.
I know. So let's just get into it. We're going to start with taking a saucepan and then we're going to add half a tablespoon of butter to it. You just wait for this butter to melt and then we're going to add our apple and brown sugar. We've chopped the apple really nicely so that it gets cooked a little bit faster. And now we're going to add a brown sugar, which is an essential for any apple pie taste. Just about 2 tablespoons.
And is that it, or are we adding some more flavors to this?
Oh yes, thank you for reminding me. We're adding something more as well. We're going to add a few spices. We have cinnamon, grated ginger and just a pinch of salt. And if you want, you can even add nutmeg to it.
That's such a complex mix of flavors. The cinnamon and the grated ginger, they have great antioxidant properties. It's anti-inflammatory, it's antibacterial also. And you know what? It really works best for a mood booster.
I'm sure it does. And Nikita, you're also always teaching me something.
Always.
Okay, so let's move on with the recipe. We just have to cook this down till the apples are nice and mushy. It'll take about 2 to 3 minutes. It's been 2 to 3 minutes and our apples are done now.
Vidhi, you're really spoiling me. Make me feel a little better.
Okay, I got you. Now we're going to add our rolled oats, about 1 cup of it, and then we're going to add Dreamery creamy milk.
The best thing about oats, it's so enriched in fiber, it's got great complex carbohydrates and really works best for people suffering from diabetes and cholesterol. It's a must-do in their diet to be had at least once a day.
That's great to know, and I'm really going to start incorporating this in my diet every day. And now we're just going to let this cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, or it might take a little bit longer depending on how your oats are cooking. But we're just going to have to let this get really nice and mushy.
Oh, the Dreamery milk has added such great texture to it. And also it's fortified with vitamin D, vitamin K2 and vitamin A, which actually helps regulate calcium to your bones and teeth.
That's awesome to know, but I think I'm going to add a little bit more milk to this. Can you just please pass it to me? Thank you. Now everybody at home, whoever wants to, you can add a little bit more of your Dreamery milk to this if you want it a little bit runny.
Are we going to get to my favorite part yet? Eating it?
No, not just yet. We still have to cook this down for 1 minute, even though it smells absolutely delicious.
I think the soft texture is coming up now.
It is. And now what if I tell you that the nutrient value is going to go off the charts?
Oh my God, you know that always excites me.
For sure. So that we're going to do by adding some walnuts to this.
Wow, another great source of omega-3 fatty acids. It really helps lower the bad cholesterol in your body. What a fabulous ingredient to add, Vidhi.
So this is done now. Your oatmeal is ready. Now you viewers at home, if you want a little bit more milk depending on how you want your texture, you can add that milk. But since we're really hungry, we're just going to dig in.
Yes, I can't wait to dig in and enjoy this amazing experience of a healthy oatmeal.
Definitely. So can you just please help me with this? It's too hot, be careful.
This smells great and looks divine.
Thank you.
I can't wait to dig into my oatmeal and enjoy the experience right away.
Wait a minute, I'm just going to make it so much more prettier for you because we have these really nice apples and I'm just going to decorate our oatmeal a little bit. Right. And just for a touch of sweetness, we're going to add some honey.
Honey.
Exactly.
That's one of my favorite ingredients.
And while she goes and has her whole experience, you guys don't forget to like, share and subscribe and do join us later for more healthy dessert fixes.